Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share all of the projects that I made with the items that Cuttlemeclay Tay sent me. And if you weren't able to see that video, I'll have it linked down below. And I would suggest you go check it out and get all that information down below. And I'll also have it linked on this video as well. But if you want to see the items that she sent me, make sure you check out that video. All right, let's jump right in. All right, so I'm going to show you everything I used to create with the first set of projects that I made. So from my creative time, I used Wishing You the Best Day Ever. From this set here, I am using, let's see, this die here, as well as the leaves from there. And then from the Color Bug, I am using this Anna Griffin embossing folder. Hopefully you can see that. It's a really nice embossing folder. And then also, I am using this Bonbon box from Elizabeth Craft. And this is the paper that I am using. I'm going to be using this as well as this here and this one there. All right, so let me jump right in and show you the projects that I am using. I'm going to start with this card here. And as you can see, Cuttlemeclay Tay's flowers just stand out beautifully. I mean, she has a really craft at making her flowers. They are so, so beautiful. And as you see, I use that embossing folder, and there goes the papers. And there goes those little accent pieces that I added on there. And there goes the inside of that card there. And then up next are my little bonbon boxes. So here goes the first one right there. Look at those flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? And then I also made the box so that it opens up. If I can get it open here without tearing it. Put those flowers on just perfect, but I love how it turned out. And here goes the other box. There goes another set of her flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. So I really like how that set turned out. That's the first set. Let's jump into the second set. Here we go. This set I also used once more. So I'm using this set of this set of accent pieces. And I believe that's it from that. I'm also using these diamond dots. It's a really soft pink. I'm also using this Downton Abbey ornamental screen. And then I'm also using this little accent piece here from this set. And then from this Alina Craft flower set, I am just using those leaves there. For my creative time again, I am using this set, which is, I don't see the name of it, but anyways, it's like a New Year's Day set, but I'm using this. May this be the best year yet. And I thought that would go perfect for a birthday card. And then I'm using the bows here. All right, and then also from my creative time, I am using this set here, which is the stitched gift card holder die. So let me show you these here. I'm going to start off with this card here. I thought it turned out beautiful. You know, Cuttlemeclay Tay's flowers are absolutely gorgeous. And she also sent the leaves with this. And then she used those stamens. Just absolutely gorgeous. They're perfect. And then there goes those accent pieces. And I thought that went very well. And you can see that I used those diamond dots. And behind this is vellum paper. I thought it was just beautiful. And then there goes the inside, which I am using the Hero Arts this here, and I use this in, I believe, all of my cards in the inside, so just so you know there. And then the next piece, this is where I used the Stitch gift card holder die from My Creative Time. And I used those little accent pieces. This is where I put those little flowers. I thought that turned out so pretty. And then her little gift card has that stitching around it. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's jump into the next set. All right, so Tay also sent some Mickey Mouse stuff. So I used her Mickey Mouse flowers as well as that back piece that she sent on the flowers. Anyways, I'll show it to you in just a second. But here goes this paper set that I am using, Magical Adventure. I am also using these little word sentiments from Tim Holtz. And then I pulled out all of my camera / film strip things, this, and this, yes. And then from this Sizzix Star die, I'm using this here. I am also using this set here from Cottage Cuts. This one from Dynamics, and I'm using that there, My Favorite Things. Jen Hatfield, I'm using this photo frame. And then also from My Creative Time, I'm using this wallet die. I thought the set turned out very cute. There it goes. Anyway, so like I said in the video, I said that piece I was going to use because it's just so cute and I just couldn't let it go to waste. So I went ahead and die cut that out. There goes that Tim Holtz ideology word. And then there goes Tay's flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. And then out of that paper pack, I cut these to give a little bit of accent pieces. And there goes the film strip and the camera die. And then that's from the My Favorite Things. But her flowers look so cute on there. And then there goes the inside. I love this. And then I also made a wallet. And it's very similar to the other one. As you can see, I put Tay's flowers right in the center of there. And I use a few more of those little tickets there. And then I also put a little bit of Velcro on the back, and then there goes the inside. And then this is a gift card holder, so I can fill that up with a gift card there. But I thought both pieces turned out beautiful. All right, and now we're going to jump into the last set. Now, as you all know, I love Nautical. So when I seen her Nautical flowers, I said, I've got to do Nautical as well. So here we go. Let me jump right in and show you all the items I used. All right, so from this here, I am using Paper Rose Shaker Mix. Love that, so pretty. And then I am using this Ahoy There by Alicia Gordon, and it's it's Cartabella. So I'm using that there. From Cottage Cuts, I am using the rope as well as the oars. And then from this set here, which is from Hero Arts, I am using Waving Hello. From Joy's Life Stamps, I'm using I'd Love to See You. From this die set, I'm just using that centerpiece there. From My Favorite Things, I'm using this. And then also from My Creative Time, I am using Fancy Frame Layer Dies, as well as the Fancy Frame Layer Dies. And this was the insert. All right. So let me show you how these turned out. I thought they turned out beautiful. All right, so let's take a closer look. Oh. I love Nautical, and I thought this turned out so pretty. When I say these flowers are absolutely gorgeous, and I don't know what paper she used, but it has a little sheen to it. And if you could see, there's starfish on that paper, so you see I accented the starfish to kind of match that there. And then this also has a sheen. I love this paper. Tay, you'll have to tell me where you got that from. And then I use the leaf that she also sent in her stack. And then there goes the I'd Love to See You, which was from Joy's Life Stamps. I did ink up the oars a little bit to try and change the color from the rope. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, and this is that My Creative Time die set back there. And I also use that for the inside of the card. Absolutely stunning. There goes those pieces there. Don't mean to toot my own horn, but I love Nautical. And then there goes the bag topper that I am using, waving hello. As you can see, I put one of her gems right in the center. Right up underneath this flower, there is a seashell. And then there goes another leaf that she sent with the set and another flower there. I love this set. This is probably my favorite out of the set. All right, so those are all my makes. Make sure you head over to Shatavia's YouTube channel as well as her Instagram links, and I'll have those down below. Cuttlemeclay does do custom orders if you like those. Her flower shop is on Instagram as well. And that is about it. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed all the projects that I made, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.